Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. Guys, duplicates can sneak into our data in numerous ways, causing inconsistency which ultimately impact the accuracy and readability of our data analysis. That's why knowing how to detect and deal with the duplicate efficiently is must-know skill for anyone working with the Excel. So in today's video, we are diving deep into most common yet important task in Excel, which is finding the duplicates. And please note that this is the famous interview question mostly asked in the interviews. So throughout this video, I will demonstrate 3 different methods to find the duplicates. After finding the duplicates, I will show you how to remove it. But before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable contents. I have taken the simple dataset to make you understand better. So here we have 3 columns: name, age and department. In name column you can see we have a duplicates. So we have to find these duplicates. So there are 3 strategies I am going to discuss here. So the first strategy is using conditional formatting. So we are going to find the duplicates using conditional formatting. So for that what we have to do, we will first select the data. Then here in the home tab you go to conditional formatting and here highlight cell rules. At the bottom you can see the duplicate values. Just click that. Then you will get this dialog box. Here you have to duplicate values with light red. Okay, here we will get options so that we can get different colors to give our duplicates. So I am selecting the light red only and click OK. Now here you can see our duplicate values are highlighted. So this is a one way to highlight your duplicate values in Excel. Now let's look at another strategy. This strategy is using countif function. So we are going to use countif function to count the number of duplicates present in this data. Now what countif function does? It counts based on some criteria that you give it. So let's enter the function first. So we'll start our formula by writing is equal to countif. Okay. Tap to select. Here you can see there are 2 arguments. First is range and second is the criteria. So the range will be our this. Okay, where our data is present, and the criteria will be this John. So we have to check if this value is present in that range, and if it is present then it will get count, like how many times this John is present in that range, right? So I will click this cell reference A2 and close this parenthesis and hit enter. Now you can see we are getting the value 2, means the 2 times John is present in this data. So first time this is here in row number 2 and second time it is present in row number 9, right? Now let me highlight this formula for you so we can see how it works. So for that I am going to use is equal to formula text. Okay, tap to select and here you have to give the cell reference. So I will give this cell reference and close the bracket and hit enter. Now here you can see the formula of this countif, right? Now if we drag this formula down we will get error because we are giving the criteria for this cell reference which is John. So every time the cell reference is getting changed here. So here we have to lock it. So what we will do, we will select this range, okay, and we will press F4 to lock it. Now it is locked by F4. Now here you can drag this formula down, and here also you can drag this formula down. Now here you can see John is coming for the 2 times, Emily coming for the 2 times. First is in row number 3, then in row number 7, then David also row number 4, then row number 10. Okay, so we are getting the count of these duplicates, and here also in the formula you can see the cell reference is changing every time, A2, A3, A4, A5 till A11, because every time we are changing the names. So this is how you can find the duplicates by using countif function. Now the final way of finding the duplicate is by using a pivot table. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click in your data and go to here insert and click on this pivot table. Here you will get two options, new worksheet, existing worksheet. We will create in new worksheet, press OK. Now here you have to drag this pivot table fields. So what we'll do, we'll drag this name in the row, okay, and we'll drag this name into this values. Now here the pivot table is created. Here they are counting the names which are repeated. So David is coming for the 2 times, Emily for the 2 times, and the John for the 2 times. Here you can see we are getting the number of duplicates present in the data. So this is the third way of finding the data by using pivot table. Hope you are clear with this. So in this video we have seen the 3 strategies. First was the conditional formatting, second was using the COUNTIF function, and third way was using the pivot table. Now we have found the duplicates, but how to remove it? So for removing the duplicate, for what you have to do, which is a very important step in data analysis, you have to select your data, okay, and here in the data tab, here you will get this icon, remove duplicates. So it will delete duplicate rows from your sheets. So click this, you will get this dialog box. Here you have to check this, you have to check my data has headers, and you have to check this all 3 columns, name, age and department. It should be checked, because when we say it's a duplicate means it is repeating in all the column. Suppose here name is John, age is 25 and department is marketing. So when this whole row is repeating again, like here in the row 9, John 25 marketing, so it is a true duplicate. So we can now remove it, right? That's why we have to check this all 3 columns. So press OK here, you will get this 3 duplicate values found and removed. 7 unique values remain. Press OK. Now here you can see we are getting the unique values and all the duplicate values are removed from the data. So this is how you have to handle the duplicate present in your data set. Hope you understood how to deal with it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.